Augie, have you ever lost a set of keys?
I have, and I never replace them.
You know what, Augie, you're like about 90% of the people in the country that lose keys. They do not replace them. What they do is they take better care of their last set of keys. Now, we're going to offer you, what is it, 1 year? We're going to offer you 1 year of key replacement. Now, you might say to yourself, well, what good would that do me? I never replace them anyway. Well, Augie, any idea what it costs to replace the key, a key fob, and the programming that's involved?
I heard it's very expensive, at least $200.
At least 200, probably closer to $300 or $400. But Augie, even though you did not replace the keys that you lost, you did end up paying for those keys. Do you know how?
When I trade it in, you'll have to take that into account.
Augie, the more keys your trade-in has, the more valuable it is. Because when we take a vehicle in trade, in order for us to retail it, the next customer is probably going to want 2 sets of keys. Which means if we got to spend $300 or $400 to create another set of keys, that means that's $300 or $400 that we can't give you for your vehicle. So what the 1 year of Key Care will do is it will replace the key fob, and the programming for you. It'll pay an additional $200 to you if you lose your entire key ring for other keys on your key ring. It'll pay for substitute transportation. It'll pay for towing. It'll pay for a locksmith to get you in your house or your apartment. It'll pay for a locksmith to get you in your vehicle. But most importantly, if you plan on keeping this vehicle longer than a year, make sure you check with one of our business managers. They'll show you how to extend this coverage. Cool?
Wow, that's great.
Okay.
Sounds good.
All right.